Harvard freshman originally denied entrance to the country is now in class with his peers. WBZ's Anna Meiler has more on the effort that it took to get him into the U.S.
Harvard University confirms Ismail Ajawi is here on campus in time for the first day of classes today. Ajawi made national headlines last month when his visa was revoked and he was sent back to Lebanon. It's the start of the new school year at Harvard, and students are happy to hear freshman Ismail Ajawi made it to campus in time.
It's incredible. I'm so excited. I saw that story and I was very, very upset. A lot of people were.
Ajawi told the Harvard Crimson he was detained for 8 hours after he arrived at Logan Airport last month. He said immigration officials searched his phone and laptop and questioned him about his friend's social media activities. U.S. officials said he was deemed inadmissible. Soon after, Harvard students created a petition that now has nearly 8,000 signatures.
I think that it was kind of the response of how can we rally together to make sure that he gets here.
Today, U.S. Customs and Border Protection released a statement saying in part that on Monday, September 2nd, Ismail Ajawi overcame all grounds of inadmissibility. Ajawi's family released a statement saying in part, "We truly appreciate the efforts of so many individuals and officials in Lebanon, Washington, Massachusetts, and at Harvard that have made it possible for our son Ismail Ajawi to begin his studies at Harvard with his class. The last 10 days have been difficult and anxiety-filled, but we are most grateful for the thousands of messages of support and particularly the work of Ahmed East."
I'm excited to meet him. Hopefully I see him on campus soon.
In a statement, Ajawi's family also asked for his privacy so he can settle into college and focus on his classwork. He plans to study chemical and physical biology here at Harvard. Reporting in Cambridge, Anna Meiler, WBZ News.